This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing. In today's class, as per your session, I shall discuss about your mathematics, and the portion today is in your session, that is the introduction to linear programming problem. So what is linear programming? First of all, what is the application of linear programming in your mathematics? Why linear programming? So without any additional, you can say, explanation, I am giving you a very basic example, and with that example it will be easy for you to understand that what is the meaning of linear programming and why we study linear programming. Suppose there is a man whose father has given him 10,000 rupees to start his business. There is a man whose father has, there is a man means there is a youth, there is a young, whose father has given him 10,000 rupees for the purpose of starting his own business. And as per the knowledge of the young youth, and as per the advice of his friend, that youth desires to start a business of furniture. He starts to open his own furniture house, his own shop of furniture. Then he visits to the wholesalers of furniture, and he try to know the price of all individual items like chair, table, etc. Then he comes to know that for a particular chair, he will have to pay rupees 250, and for table the wholesale price is rupees 5. And the space he has hired for the purpose of his shop is such spacious that he can store only 50 chair plus table. 50 means total 50 items he can put in his store of his shop, either that is chair or that is table. So the three things you should note here, that the youth has 10,000 rupees. He has to start business of table and chair. The wholesale price of table is rupees 250, and the wholesale price of table is 500. and the storage capacity of his storeroom is 50. Now, you have to calculate that how many chairs or how many tables he should purchase so that he can get maximum benefit. And it is given already that on a particular chair, he is getting ₹50 as benefit. If he sells a chair, he will get ₹50 as price, you can say ₹50 as benefit, and on table, he can get ₹100 as benefit. Means if he is selling a particular chair, he is getting ₹50 as benefit, and if he is selling a table, he is getting ₹100 as benefit. Then now the question arises. You have to reply, you have to suggest to that youth that how many chair and how many table he should purchase so that he may always be benefited. And you know well that the purpose of any business is to get benefit. If that youth is going to start a business of furniture, then definitely he is giving his timing, he is doing physical labor, he is investing 10,000 rupees. So he is paying also rent of the shop, store. So how many chair and how many table that youth should purchase to get maximum benefit? The answer of this question is hidden. The concept of linear programming. The answer of this concept is hidden with the concept of linear programming. So, in nutshell, if I ask you that what is linear programming, then what will be your answer? It is such a branch of mathematics. Linear programming is such a branch of commercial mathematics, you can say, business mathematics, you can say. Linear programming is such a, because if you are engineer, if you are BCA degree holder, if you are MTech degree holder, if you are diploma degree holder, whatever may be the certificate you have, qualification you have, you may be asked to work as a manager in the industry also, so you must have knowledge of business mathematics also. So this linear programming is a part of business mathematics, commercial mathematics. So linear programming is such a part of business or commercial mathematics which deals with the tactics and technique that how to minimize the cost and maximize the benefit in a business concern. How to minimize the cost and maximize the benefit. Means investing less, how to get more benefit. These tactics, this technique is taught in your linear programming. I hope you have understood that what is linear programming and what is the purpose of studying linear programming. Students, this is the introduction of linear programming, and I hope that you have understood that what is linear programming. I suggest you that you should visit NCERT book of 12th, Mathematics for the Basics of Linear Programming. And also you should visit the link that has been uploaded. You should visit the library resources. The link has been given, as well as the material uploaded with this. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidya Tutorial Simplicity. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much.